Welcome to StarNation Space Company, Canada's first Indigenous orbital AI data center constellation. We bridge Indigenous data sovereignty with space-based edge computing to secure the future of Canadian defense and enterprise intelligence. Our vision, the sacred hoop of the nation, is a commitment to orbital stewardship. This extends Indigenous stewardship beyond terrestrial borders into low Earth orbit, fostering digital sovereignty and achieving technological supremacy through space-based AI infrastructure. We address the dual crisis of terrestrial limits and sovereign vulnerability. Terrestrial data centers face a physical crisis due to high energy and water consumption. They also face a security crisis, as reliance on US-owned hyperscalers compromises Canadian national security due to the US Cloud Act. The orbital pivot is our EagleSat AI edge computing solution. It features a commercial GPU compute core, infinite power from continuous solar arrays, zero water cooling using the deep space vacuum, and radiation resilience for a 5 to 7 year operational lifespan. Moving the data center off-planet achieves high-density AI compute with a zero terrestrial footprint. Comparing compute environments, StarNation's EagleSat offers instant edge AI inference, free solar and vacuum cooling, and absolute 100% Canadian data sovereignty, unlike terrestrial hyperscalers and traditional SATCOM solutions. Our strategic moat captures the 5% federal mandate. The Government of Canada legally mandates 5% of all contracts to Indigenous businesses, an annual addressable market of $1.24 billion. StarNations, as a certified Indigenous Tier 1 prime contractor, provides the compliant vehicle needed to meet this mandate. Governance and ethics are driven by OCAP, covering ownership, control, access, and possession. OCAP mitigates risk and ensures compliance, securing high-fidelity datasets and providing guaranteed onshore stewardship immune to foreign subpoenas. The Canadian stack represents a 100% sovereign supply chain. This includes the EagleSat constellation in orbit, domestic launch services via Spaceport Nova Scotia, the ThinkOn Sovereign Cloud Terrestrial Vault, and secure delivery to end users like the Department of National Defense. Our new Bison economic model treats data as soil, a renewable resource sustaining intergenerational wealth. Step 1 is ingesting Earth observation and SAR data. Step 2 is processing this data with AI for actionable insights. Step 3 is outputting intelligence reports via a value-added reseller model. Our 2025 to 2031 deployment roadmap is phased. Phase 1 focuses on terrestrial VAR operations for early cash flow. Phase 2 involves the orbital insertion of EagleSat-1. Phase 3 focuses on global commercialization, scaling to a full 4-satellite constellation, and launching SPAAS for allied nations and enterprises. The financial architecture de-risks deep tech. Years 1 to 3 provide a conservative revenue bridge. Year 4 marks the inflection point as EagleSat-1 launches. Years 7 to 10 see accelerated SPAAS revenue, projecting significant gross revenue by year 10. Our investment structure is based on a 51/49 divestiture strategy. Pamela Carter retains 51% actual control for the Indigenous Business Directory listing. The remaining 49% minority stake is open for strategic divestiture, providing immediate access to the 5% federal procurement mode. We are driving true economic reconciliation through our ESG impact dashboard. Environmentally, we achieve a zero carbon and water footprint. Socially, we meet the 33% Indigenous content rule by creating high-value STEM jobs. Governance-wise, we establish intergenerational wealth through OCAP-aligned data stewardship. To secure the sovereign future, we are seeking seed capital from strategic angels and impact funds to acquire a portion of the 49% minority stake. Join us in pioneering indigenomics in the new orbital economy, building Canada's first sovereign space infrastructure and transforming digital reconciliation into reality.